day to all the dear students. This is chapter number 18, surface area and volume of 3D solids, part 1 of standard 9, in which I am explaining you the two different shapes, cube and cuboid, formulas and its different. Hi all my dear students. So here today we are going to study our chapter number 18, surface area and volume of 3D solids. Okay, so students, see, I have started my mensuration part of your textbook, in which last what we have studied about circle, circumference and area. So now let us study about the 3D shapes. So students, till now what you have studied? Area of square, area of rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, all these shapes. All the shapes are two-dimensional, which you can draw on the plane figure. So it is very easy to understand them, and also very easy to get their areas and volumes. Volumes are not possible for 2D figures. Only three-dimensional figures we can find the volume and surface area. So now today we are going to study mainly about two shapes. They are the three-dimensional shapes. So first is cuboid. You all have seen cuboidal shapes at your home, because students, many boxes we are seeing nowadays, so they are of cuboidal shape. I am showing you one of the box I have here, students, of mobile. This is the mobile box which I am having here. This is cuboid shape. You can see here this box 3D shapes, right? So this is the one surface, then it is same as the opposite surface. This is other. So total, let us count here how many faces are there. See, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 number and this is the 6. So total how many surfaces are there? There are 6 faces of cuboid shape. Also we need to count the vertices. So what is the vertices? Meaning that two edges, these are called the edges, right? So when two edges meet, that is called the vertex, and the plural of it is vertices. So students, here let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the back 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 vertices are there of cuboid shape. Also there are the edges. So let us count the edges. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Also 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total how many edges we have counted here? There are 12 edges. So let me write the very important information about cuboid. That is, it has 6 faces. Then it has 8 vertices. And the third one is, it has 12 edges. Okay, so students, nowadays you can see many boxes, then compass box, then mobile box, anything you see, your games, different games you play, their box are also in cuboid shape. So students, today in this chapter we are going to learn the surface area and volume. Now volume, what is the definition of volume? That anything which occupies space is known as volume. So here in cuboid shape also you can fill in it something. As you see, this is the box. So here we can fill in it something, right? So that occupies the space here. So we call it its volume here, students. So now first of all we have studied what is cuboid. Now let us understand its surface area. Now what is the meaning of surface area and volume? See, जिसको ये पता चल जाए ना कि कौन से क्वेश्चन में सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना है और कौन से क्वेश्चन में वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है, they can solve any question. This is formula based chapter, students, so you can solve it very easily. So now let us study the surface area. I have just explained you that there are 6 faces. Okay, so let me try to draw here one cuboid. So Actually, on the plane surface, it is not possible to draw, but let me try here to draw it. So, I am drawing here a cuboidal shape. You see, this way you can show on the faces. Okay. So, this is the cuboid I have drawn here, and as you know, it has, this is the length, this is the breadth. Actually, this is not the breadth, this is height. This is the breadth, you see, this is the breadth, and this one is the height here, h. Okay, so this is length, breadth and height. So this is called 3 dimensions, so in which L, B, H. Now you tell me that in cuboid, how are all the faces look like? See, in this, how the face look like, which shape it is? It is rectangular shape. So, rectangles, all the faces are of rectangle shape only. So, we have to think that if I want to find the surface area of this cuboid, then how do I find out? For that, students, we write here first of all surface area. Okay, means we have to find all 6 surfaces. So students, if this is the box, which is the closed box, and if I open it like this for you, okay, so this is the bottom, okay, then ये साइड हो गया, फिर ये दूसरा साइड हो जाएगा उसका. यहाँ पे एक क्यूबॉइड ले लेते हैं जो कि ये साइड का है, ये साइड का भी एक हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा उसका टॉप. मीन्स मैंने पूरा बॉक्स खोल दिया है अभी, राइट. सो नाउ लेट अस राइट द डायमेंशंस हियर. ये जो है मैंने बोला बॉटम है, तो ये L हो जाएगा और ये B हो जाएगा, और ये जो कि है वो उसकी H हो जाएगी. ओके, सिमिलरली यू सी दिस इज L, so this is B and this is H, and this is also height here, and this is length again, height, और ये जो होगा वो उसका कवर है, ऊपर का टॉप. मीन्स ये L है और ये B है. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड ऑल द फेसेस एरियाज. सो ये जो मिडल वाला है वो है लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, तो आई एम राइटिंग LB. Then this is B into H, so I am writing BH. Then this is LH, this is BH, this is LH, and this is LB. So see, I have written all the faces. ये बॉक्स को मैंने खुला कर दिया है, सारे faces, 6 faces आप देख सकते हो. And I have found that different faces areas, जो कि है rectangular shapes. रेक्टेंगल है तो उसका फॉर्मूला भी लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ वैसे ही हो जाएगा. नाउ इफ आई ऐड ऑल दिस एरियाज, देन आई गेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड शेप. सो लेट मी ऐड. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो LB 2 टाइम्स है, राइट. फिर ये देखो BH भी 2 टाइम्स है, और द थर्ड इज LH एंड LH भी 2 टाइम्स है. उसका मीनिंग है कि सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस. 2 हम पहले से बाहर निकाल लेते हैं. इन द ब्रैकेट LB प्लस BH प्लस LH. दिस इज हाउ you can write the total surface area is equal to, this is the formula you have to remember students for cuboid shape. I think all of you understand and you will not forget if you study like this. Now दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. जैसे कि कोई भी रूम है जो भी क्यूबॉइड शेप है, राइट, तो उसकी 4 वॉल्स होती है, एक नीचे फ्लोर होता है और सीलिंग होती है, राइट. मीन्स टोटल 6 फेसेस होते हैं. आप अपने ही रूम का एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं जहां बैठ के अभी देख रहे हैं वीडियो, राइट. इफ इट इज rectangular means all the faces are rectangles in shape, then it is also cuboid. And if you want to find the total surface area, then you have to use this formula. So I think all of you clear with this formula here. Now students, let us talk about only the 4 walls. Just now I gave the example of a room. So आपको पता है कि अगर रूम के हम 4 वॉल्स की बात करें और उसका सीलिंग और फ्लोर छोड़ दे अगर, तो उसका फॉर्मूला कैसे होगा. तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर area of 4 walls only, right? So we want to find this formula. For that, students, this is the open box that is same as the room only. So उसमें से हम कौन सा कैंसिल कर देंगे, जो कि है बेस. ये बेस निकाल देंगे और उसका ऊपर का फ्लोर भी निकाल देंगे. आपको पता है कि 4 वॉल्स में बेस और ऊपर का वॉल नहीं, मीन्स ऊपर का सीलिंग नहीं आता है, जो कि सेम सरफेसेस है. ओनली विच 4 सरफेसेस वी गेट, BH, BH, LH, LH. उसका मीनिंग है कि यहाँ पे हमें मिल जाएगा 2 टाइम्स LB प्लस LH प्लस BH. अब देख सकते हैं LH LH, राइट, एंड BH BH, जो 2 टाइम्स मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे H कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो 2H ब्रैकेट में रह जाएगा L प्लस B. So this is our formula for area of 4 walls. Now some of the students can also remember this formula as you know this 2L plus B, that is the perimeter of rectangle. So you can write this as perimeter multiply height. So sometimes in the question when you are given perimeter only of rectangle shape, then you multiply perimeter multiply the height, then directly you can find area of 4 walls. So students, now I think it is very clear to you how to find total surface area of cuboid and area of 4 walls. Now students, अगर डायरेक्टली कोई क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि कोई भी एक बॉक्स है जो कि क्यूबॉइडल शेप है, तो उसके अंदर एक रॉड फिट करना है. कौन सा रॉड होगा जो लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, तो दैट इज डायगोनल. यू सी which side is known as diagonal. Diagonal is kind of the opposite vertex. If we join vertices, then it is known as diagonal. From here to here if I join, then it is known as diagonal. अगर ऐसा रॉड में रख दूं, एक ये कॉर्नर पे और एक ये कॉर्नर पे, तो वो बन जाएगा diagonal of a cuboid shape. तो now I am explaining what is diagonal formula here. So I am writing here diagonal of cuboid. So that is of 3 dimensionals, as you know. So in the bracket we can show L square plus B square plus H square. So this is how we get our formula for diagonal of cuboid shape. So students, again I recall you total surface area, area of walls, and the third formula is diagonal of cuboid. Now students, we talk about the volume. See, just now I explained you cuboid shape, 3 formulas. Now let us talk about the volume of the cuboid. I have already explained you what is the meaning of volume is the space occupied. अगर कोई ऐसा बॉक्स है या फिर ऐसा कोई शेप जिसके अंदर आप कुछ फील कर सकते हो, कुछ भर सकते हो, तो दैट इज नोन एज वॉल्यूम, राइट. तो वॉल्यूम हियर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, दैट इज इक्वल टू लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ मल्टीप्लाई हाइट, or in short you can write LBH. Now students, areas we all know that what is the unit for the area. It may be centimeter square, meter square or kilometer square, but in cuboid or any of the volumes, when you find out, then its units will be either centimeter cube or meter cube or kilometer cube as per the question. Generally these two will come centimeter cube and meter cubes. So remember the units, or you can say cubic centimeter or cubic meter also of the volume of the cuboid here. Now sometimes in the question you are asked to get length. volume is already given, breadth and height also given, only you ask to get length. So we can write length as, see, volume divided by breadth and height, BH. Similarly, if you are asked to get breadth, okay, so how do you write it? So breadth we can find with the same way, volume divided by length into height. And sometimes if you are asked to get height of this cuboid, then you find it as volume divided by LB. So these are the three or more formulas. These formulas you need not to remember, students. Once you understand this is the volume of cuboid, so from there only you can write this three formulas. They are separately when you are asked to find length, breadth and height of the cuboid shape. So I think all of you understand the formulas of volume and surface area of cuboid shape. Now students, we have studied about cuboid. And now let us study about cube shape. I think cube all of you have seen, because as a kid if you play the dice game, then a die is known as it is a shape of cube, right? Or many boxes are coming in a cube shape. Rubik's cube, if you play Rubik's cube, that is also the cube shape, students. So let us study about the surfaces. How many surfaces are there of cube? That I tell you here, that already is same as the cuboid, 6 faces, right? Then how many vertices? That is same as cuboid, 8 vertices. And the next is how many edges? So 12 edges are there in cube shape also. So these three are same in cube and cuboid. Only students, the surface, you see in cuboid all the faces are of rectangle shape, but in cube all the faces are of square shape. So let me draw here one cube for you. That is also three-dimensional figure, students, as you know. So I am trying to draw this. Actually, it is not possible to draw the perfect way, but a sort of that. So here I have drawn a cube shape. You can see total 6 faces, upside and downside, and 4 walls. It means 6 faces, right? And these are the sides here, and all are equal. Let me tell you that all the edges of cube are same. You see they have 3 dimensions, length, and this is also length. Always they all are same only. So let us study about the surface area. First of all, total surface area of cube. What is the formula for that? So as I explained you in the cuboid, if you open all the faces of this cube shape, then what is the formula for the one face? There is this rectangle, this is the square shape. You see all the faces of cube are of square shape. And what is the area of square? You write it as L square. But here are 6 faces and all the faces are same. So we can write our answer as 6L square. This is the formula. See, I explained you that one face area is L square and we multiplied by 6, then we get total surface area of cube shape. Now next is, students, we take the 4 walls. Suppose in the cube shape also the area of 4 walls. Then what to do? So no problem. Here also 4 walls. We do not take the top and bottom. Then we have 4 faces and all faces have same areas. So 4L square. This is the area of 4 walls in a cube shape. Next thing I want to explain you about the diagonal. So if student, a rod we want to place in the cube shaped box, then which is the longest rod where we can place? It will be in the diagonally shape. This is the diagonal of our cube which is connected to the opposite vertices. So here I am writing diagonal of a cube. So that is equal to, how we can show, three-dimensional. So that is in square root L square plus L square plus L square. Okay, you can write it as 3 root 3 L square. So we can write them as root 3 into L. Okay, this way also you can write, and this formula is also correct. I have taken root 3 separate and L square square root as L. So I think all of you clear with this information, students. Okay, so cube you can understand now very easily. Now let us move on to next, that is the volume. Okay, so volume already explained in cuboid. So here in cube, you see that if you want to fill this space, then we call it volume. That is also three-dimensional. So here we write L into L into L 3 times. It means it become L cube. So this is what our volume of cube shape. So here all the formulas I have written regarding cubes, and all the informations I have explained here, which you will be useful. You have useful in your exercise. So now let us start with our exercise 18A. 18A exercise, first question, students, in which you have to find the surface area of the cuboids. Dimensions are already given to you. So writing here, find surface area. Okay, so here I will take B part of it, A and B, 2 questions. We are given length 4 cm, breadth 1.7 cm and height as 2.3 centimeters. So let us apply our formula for surface area of cuboid. So I am writing surface area as A. Surface area is twice LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, then 2 outside only, length is 4 and breadth is 1.7. Then breadth is 1.7 and height is 2.3 plus L into H, that is 4 into 2.3. So this way, students, in the bracket, first of all let us solve. So 6.8 plus, we solve this here, this is 23 and 17, then we move to the places. So here I get, this is 3.91 plus 9.2. So now I have multiplied all the dimensions here. Now 2 as it is, I will add the bracket first values. So this is 1 as it is, 9, 19.91, which I multiplied by 2. So I get 39.82 centimeters square. So this is the final answer of our question number 1, B part. This is 39.82 centimeter square surface area. So same way, students, you can also find your A part, which is of question 1. Same formula but only the dimensions are different. So use the same method to get the answer. Now let us take number 2 question, in which we have to find the surface area of the cubes here. So let me give the heading here. Number 2, find surface area of cube. Here the dimensions are given to us. We get here dimension as 10 meters. I'll solve B part of this. That is 10 meters, which is the dimension length. So now surface area, as you know, for cube, just now I have explained you, it is 6L square. So here 6 multiply 10 square. So it becomes 6 multiply 100. So it means it is 600 meters square. So which is our final answer, students, here of question number 2, surface area of cube as 600 meters square. So the first, the A part you can solve using same formula and same method. Now continuing question number 2, second part. There are 3 parts of question number 2. This is the first part, in which we have to find surface area of a cube. Now in second part it is written, to make a model of cube 96 centimeter square of board was used. Means that 96 centimeter square is the surface area of a cube given to us. This is 96 centimeter square. Now find the length of one edge of the cube. Means we want to find one edge from this formula. So I have here surface area formula as 6L square. Now I substitute this value 96, 6L square. Now 6 will be divided here. So L square is equal to 96 by 6. So this is 16 here. So now I want to take square root on both the sides. So I get L is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is how I solved number 2 question of second one. Then third, the total surface area of a cube is 726. So here in third part we are given total surface area as 726 centimeter square. We want to find the volume of it. So again students, we are using same method. First I will find the length of the cube and then I will take the volume of it. So here I substitute formula, surface area is equal to 6L square. So 726 divided by 6 is equal to L square. So this is 6 ones are 6, 1 remains, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6. It means what I get here, L square is equal to 121. Therefore, taking square root on both the side, length is equal to 11 centimeters. Now, as you know, I want to get the value of volume. So I will take the formula for volume of cube, L cube. And 11 cube is 1331 centimeter cube. So here students, you have to apply 2 formulas to get your final answer. So in the second one, length I found as 4 centimeter, and in third one, volume I found as 1331 centimeter cube. I hope you all understand this type of questions, how to solve. Now continuing with our exercise 18A, taking question number 4. See students, in question number 4, we have 2 sub-questions. So I will take the second of it, in which we want to find the diagonal of the cuboid. So here length is given as 3 centimeters, breadth as 4 centimeters and height as 5 centimeters. They all are in centimeters. So now we want diagonal of cuboid. So diagonal formula is square root L square plus B square plus H square. So here square root L square, that is 9. Directly I am writing as they are very easy. This is 4 4s are 16 and this is 5 5s are 25. So now taking sum of all this, it will be square root 50. You see, 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Now to get the square root of this, you all know this 50 is 2 25s are. So I can write 5 root 2 as the answer. 5 root 2 centimeters is the answer. So students, diagonal you can find using this formula. The first part also you can do same way. This is the second part I have solved here of question number 4.